everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to have my boyfriend Daniel do my voiceover as I make tiramisu. So let's get started and see how he does.
Okay. It's Kristen. She's waving hi to the camera. Hi everybody. These are my ingredients. Those are the little biscuit things I use in my coffee. They're pretty good. Eggs. 5 of them. Ooh. That's 1 egg. Yeah, Kristen, I know. Ooh. Tap, 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 tap. Put back. That is, I think, ricotta cheese. Ricotta. Oh, that's actually mascarpone. Never mind. What? 6? 6 spoons of those of sugar? Is that... What is that? I can't... Cinnamon? What is she getting from the fridge? Oh, damn. Oh, Bailey's. That explains the other night. Alright. Oh, grab the... Oh, doing a little dance. Woo, woo, woo. Don't give it that face. Don't. She goes for another sniff. Okay. Are we gonna get to the cooking part? Oh, damn. Holy shit. I didn't expect that one. Oh, a pan? No, not a pan. Yeah, I don't know. She almost hit the bottle with it. Oh, thinking. Ooh. Oh? Oh, hey, Zuko. Zuko, I'm trying to help Mom here. Stop. What is that? Is she making espresso? Oh, she's putting Bailey's in espresso. Okay. Ooh, what the hell? She didn't make me this. What? She's gonna stir it. Put it in the fridge, I guess, probably to cool off. Cool down. Alright, taking out the eggs. Let's get cracking. Oh, what's that? It's like a little bin. What is she gonna do? Oh, is she gonna split the yolks? Oh, I'm good at this. She's splitting them yolks. Well, looks like boogers. Oh, shlook. 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 There must be a tool to do this. Like, alright. Wow. Oh, we're gonna do all of them. Wow. Kristen really trying to pat the video out here. Like, it's consistent on how, like, it looks like a booger every time. And, like, look at that shlook. Alrighty. Fast forwarding this. Okay. Look. This one didn't have the big thing. Oh, I think she cracked it. Yeah, we see that. What are you gonna do with it? Make scrambled eggs or something. Alright, get another one. Crack. Oh, alright, here we go. Gloop there. Yeah, there you go. See, if you don't see like that giant like booger thingy at first, I don't think you did it right. Oh, what happened? Ooh. Here we go. Oh, fixing the camera. Click. There it is. Yeah, see, look, that giant like eye booger like thingy. Like if you don't see it the first time, you ain't getting it right. I'm telling you right now. Okay, ooh, I think this is like a handheld whisk. Why wasn't I able to use this last time I tried cooking? Like, I had to use those little whiskies. I don't think they trust me with these tools. I think she's gonna whisk it till, like, it becomes fluffy. I don't know. Like, I'm not really good at baking. Is that how you do it? Like, oh my gosh, it looks like lemonade.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah, I was right. Look at me. I'm smart. Ooh. All fluffy. Oh, they're the yolks. Oh, we're using both. Oh, there's nothing's going to waste here. Sugar and The yolks. Oh. 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 Come on. Oh. Those lids sometimes, you know. Mascarpone. Oh, but the whole thing. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Oh, I would have just... It would have just gone... Oh, that's exactly what happened if I'd done. It's like, are you kidding me? Jeez Louise. Looks good. Looks like a McDonald's breakfast sandwich and you break it. Oh, she's going to whisk this all together now? Okay, okay. Just going to like whisk it a bit. I think it's probably like going to get to a good consistency, I guess. Ooh. You got to close that lid. You never know. Zuko might try to eat some of it. The guy's on the prowl. Jump cut. Did you see that? Professional. Oh, stopping it. Okay. What are we going to do next? She's going to get a pan. Oh. Ooh, oh, never mind. She didn't put... Well, I thought it was going to be the espresso, but it was actually... the whipped eggs. I thought it was going to be the espresso. I got you baited. Oh, put that in. All right, all right. Now she's going to use the plastic spoon sort thing. Oh, wow. Another jump cut. I wonder how long that took her. Making it look easy for everybody. Oh, what's that? Oh, Miss Kristen looking at the recipe on her phone there. Oh, what's she? Oh, she just tasted something. I just watched her. Oh, boom. Oh, five what? 5 minutes? Oh, oh my God. What the? Why would she do this? Oh my. This is not an ASMR channel, and I don't like chewing. Oh, all right. I like these. She actually bought me like my own pack just for me to eat with my coffee. I could dunk them. Oh, line them up like they're caskets or something. I don't know. I actually recently watched a documentary where like there's actually like this mass grave off of New York's coast on this little island. Apparently used for all the plagues they had. Search it up. It's real. I'll put a link down it below. So we're just watching her stack them. You know, I like the consistency. They're all facing up, the little sugary parts. Some people would just put them like everywhere. Like, you can't trust those people if you ask me. Oh, first layer. Hey, there's 2 left over. Eat them. Oh. Now it's the express. Oh, she could just dunk. At least taste it. How do you know it's good? Oh my. Put more. Yeah, good job there, Kristen. I see it on top of the handle. Wipe it down. No, on the handle. There we... No. Alright. I think that's the cinnamon she's putting on. I guess, like lightly applying it. And what else? Oh, phone turned off. How are you going to know what you're doing, Kristen? Oh, yeah, you're panicking now. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh. Looks good. I just want to like lick it. Like grab a big spoon. Wow, okay, she just gave up on like lightly applying it. She's like, all right, let's just block. All right, okay. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. She's gonna just... It's like she's a construction worker. It's like she's trying to get the cement down. Oh, ooh, the next row. She still hasn't eaten the other ones in the other bag. Oh, did she just eat one? I think we might have to review that. Well, she must be. Her hand's gone to her mouth multiple times. Hey, eat that other one over there. Eat the other one. Eat it. Oh, don't tell me. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh. Yeah. Put that cement on there. The concrete, eh? Look at... Ooh, there you go. Eat the... eat the last... Where'd it go? Ooh, that's nice. Oh, ooh. Tinfoil. Not tinfoil, Jesus. Saran wrap. Some toothpicks. Oh, it's me!
Tell me what you think.
Ooh. Oh my god, Daniel. Lose some weight.
It's quite a lot.
That's good to look at you. Just shut up, you idiot. Get a haircut, you bum!
That's it? You and...
Stop performing. I mean,